How to remove an Instagram account from your phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can remove an Instagram account from your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, removing an Instagram account from your phone means that, let's say you have the Instagram app and then over time you happen to switch between 2 or 3 accounts, out of which Instagram saved the details for those accounts and you want to remove those accounts. Now for this, all you have to do is first of all log out of all the accounts by just tapping the 3 lines option from the top right, scrolling down, select the option called log out of all accounts and then just log out first. Now after we log out, is that let's say you have 4 or 5 so many accounts over here that you want to remove from the Instagram app. So for this, all you have to do is when you are on the login page, do not select any profile to log in. Instead, what you want to do is from the top right hand side, you'll find the gear icon, which is the settings icon. Just tap the settings icon over there, and when you tap the settings icon, because in my case I only had one profile, it is directly logging in me to that profile. But if you have other profiles, you'll have to select that profile, and then when you select it, then you'll find the option to remove that profile. So you can tap the remove option, and any accounts that have been saved by Instagram will get successfully removed in this regard. This way you can remove an Instagram account from your phone. I'm pretty sure this is what you are telling. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.